Hey there, is your Vizio soundbar acting up and you're unsure where to start? This week we're diving into how to fix a Vizio soundbar with some simple troubleshooting steps and solutions. A Vizio soundbar can elevate your home theater experience, but like any tech device, it might occasionally encounter issues. Don't worry though. With a few simple steps, you can get your soundbar back to delivering that perfect sound quality. Step 1. Check the power supply. The first step in troubleshooting your Vizio soundbar is to ensure it's getting power. Check that the power cable is securely connected to both the soundbar and the electrical outlet. If it's connected properly, try a different wall socket to rule out a faulty outlet. Step 2. Inspect the connections. Next, verify that all your connections are correct. Ensure the correct input is selected on your soundbar. Check that your HDMI or optical cable is securely connected to both the soundbar and your TV. If you're using Bluetooth, make sure the external device is paired properly. Try disconnecting and reconnecting each cable or resyncing Bluetooth connections to solve any loose connection problem. Step 3. Update the firmware. Sometimes a firmware update is all you need to fix issues with your Vizio soundbar. Visit the official Vizio website and download the latest firmware for your particular model. Follow Vizio's instructions to update your soundbar. Most updates fix bugs or add new features which might solve your current problem. Step 4. Reset your soundbar. If your Vizio soundbar is still malfunctioning, try performing a reset. Locate the reset button on your device, usually found in the manual. You can also perform a soft reset by unplugging the soundbar from the power source for 1 minute before plugging it back in. Power it back on and check if the issue persists. Step 5. Adjust audio settings. Sometimes tweaking the audio settings can fix sound issues. Use the remote to access the menu and experiment with different sound modes, such as movie or music mode, and adjust the bass and treble settings. Disable any audio enhancements that might disrupt normal sound playback. Step 6. Reduce interference. Your soundbar might be experiencing interference from other wireless devices. Try moving your router, cordless phones, or other Bluetooth devices away from the soundbar to see if the issue resolves. Additionally, ensure there are no physical obstructions blocking the soundbar speaker. By following these steps, you should be able to fix most common issues with your Vizio soundbar, getting it back to producing excellent audio for your movie nights or music session. If none of these solutions work, consult the manual or contact Vizio's support for further assistance. Always remember, regular maintenance and updates can prevent many common technical issues. Fixing your Vizio soundbar doesn't have to be daunting. With a bit of patience and this handy guide, you can tackle most problems head-on. Enjoy the crisp, clear sounds of your favorite movies and music, confidence and minimal interruptions.